MUSE Residential, and today we are taking a look at the Gainsborough Road project. And a few different things all throughout the first floor of this house. First of all, we did new flooring. The flooring you see in here is throughout the whole first floor of the home. Previously, they had lots of carpeted areas down here. LVP flooring throughout the whole house. It really makes it all feel more cohesive. And so this is the master bathroom of the home. Obviously, we have a tub right here, shower, deep for floating shelves. So we cut the wall, we brought the wall in and added these floating shelves. They're each 24 inches deep, 27 inches wide. So storage opportunity does come with the challenge of storage while making it look beautiful. So there is a staging element to it, but that's so a pro because that's really where you can show your style, your taste, and you can have fun at TJ Maxx or Marshall's finding some stuff to fill these shelves. We used the J&K 2 charcoal cabinets in here. You're also going to see these in their kitchen cabinet with gold accents throughout. This is actually my favorite cabinet pull. It's called the Juliet. We have the Moen Voss shower fixtures and all the plumbing fixtures in here in the Moen Voss, which tie really well together with these fun gold vanity lights. These mirrors, the homeowners love these mirrors, and I was so glad because I thought they were really fun shape too. One thing you'll notice on a lot of our showers is sometimes we'll have regular shower handles that are vertical, and that's what you probably typically see, but bringing it a longer pole on the side is really nice because you can put a little towel here and it's just easier to grab, and it also looks nice. And Tim from Car Seat Glass is really good about going into details when he's here about where all these hardware placements are going to go. In the shower, you're going to see more of the Moen Voss. This is the Annex shower system. It's my favorite shower system because you got the hand shower and the main shower head here together, and this is height adjustable so you can easily move it up or down. And then the Moen grab bars. Anytime I say grab bars, sometimes people are automatically like, what, do you think I'm old? Or no. If I was redoing my bathroom, I'd put a grab bar in because they look like jewelry. There's another pop of gold in here, and they're super cute. They're not the medicinal looking grab bars that you probably automatically think of when you hear that word. So I think they're a nice little touch. It looks great. We frosted the windows, added this bench that fit perfectly in this existing nook right here, and I think it's really fun that we were able to bring the tile up and around on here. Creates a really cool look. This black leathered countertop is nice because it has extra grip to it. It's actually a happy accident. There's remnants of this left. Our countertop guy wasn't even 100% sure of the name. He just had this really cool black leather quartz left over. It was perfect. So that's what we went with in here. And we also snuck it in over here. Remember how I mentioned we shortened this wall to make those floating shelves an acceptable depth? Well, where we gave the extra space is here and in the water closet. I'll show you in a second, but this is really nice because so much shower storage, they don't even need this much, but they have this much if they want. And the homeowner was actually telling me that this shelf right here doesn't get wet at all, so it's really nice because whenever she's taking a hot shower, it steams up and warms up her towel, and then she can just dry it off right in the shower. The rest of the floating shelves I mentioned are in here. There are 4 14-inch by 18 inches deep. She's able to store plenty of excess toilet paper, cleaning products, and a toilet sponge and trash can, things that every bathroom needs but you don't necessarily want on display. Perfect hiding space for that in an area that would have otherwise been just dead space. So this is a really cool functional bathroom, and I hope you guys like it as much as I do. Thanks.